Nakita, the distinguished gentleman from Tarlac, with due respect, said wala pa siya nakita na unanimous decision ng Supreme Court na baliktad. No? Again, I said, there's always a first time. Bakit ko sinasabi ito? I will quote the Supreme Court themselves. In De Pedro versus Romasan Development Corporation, GR 194751, July 1, 2015, I quote, Supreme Court nagsabi nito, while the Supreme Court's decisions are immediately executory, they are not considered final until the lapse of the prescribed period without a motion for reconsideration or upon denial of such motion. Sila nga mismo nagsasabi na hindi final eh. Ano ba naman ang masama na maghintay tayo na kung final na? For all you know, I might vote the motion to dismiss. Hindi ba? If there is such a motion, because according to Senator Lacson, it does not exist in the Senate. It exists in the impeachment court. And what I am being told is that it should be the defense, the lawyers of the defense who should pose that motion to dismiss, not a judge. I agree with Senator Lacson. There is no such thing as a motion to dismiss in the Senate. In the impeachment court, yes. Thank you, Mr. President.
Hindi po ba inamid na natin, Mr.
By the way, just one last point. Why did the Supreme Court ask Sara to comment? Kung final and executory na yan, bakit si Vice President Sara was asked to comment by the Supreme Court just a few days ago? Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, talagang pakikinggan pa nila. At baka sakali makita nila dahil yung mga abogadong nakapaligid sa kanila, nagbigay sa kanila ng mga maling figures at maling impormasyon.
Mr. President, kaya nga po nag-i-speculate tayo rito eh. Hindi natin alam kung anong iniisip ng Supreme Court. Pero sa ngayon, sinabi po niya, immediately executory at tayo lamang po talaga ang pinagsasabihan niya. At tungkol naman po sa motion to dismiss na minodify ko na kung ayaw po ninyo, wala po akong magagawa. Pero may I invoke Section 135 of the Senate Rules. Ang sabi po rito, if there is no rule applicable to a specific case, the precedents of the Legislative Department of the Philippines shall be resorted to. So ang dami po nito eh. Dito po magkakaroon ng motion to dismiss dito. Lahat po ng precedents, kahit na wala po tayong specific rules, ay observe po natin ang Section 135 ng ating rules. Pero dahil inamend ko na nga po, kung pwede na po yung motion to archive, which is consistent to the immediate execution of the decision of the Supreme Court addressed to this august chamber. Okay, bakit naman po ipinipilit pa nating i-delay based on speculation, based on the fortunes of whatever the Supreme Court will decide later on, which is based on impossibility.
Noted and entered into the records.
Mr. President.
What is the pleasure of the Honorable Cayetano?
Just 1 minute, Mr. President. Just for the information of the body, there's actually a Supreme Court case about the power to dismiss a case. Ito po yung Velasquez Jr. versus Lisondra Land 2020 case. Ang sabi niya, in order for the court or an adjudicative body to have authority to dispose of the case on the merits, it must acquire jurisdiction over the subject matter. It is axiomatic that the jurisdiction over subject matter is conferred by law and not by the consent or acquiescence of any or all of the parties or by erroneous belief of the court that it exists. Thus, when a court or tribunal has no jurisdiction over the subject matter, the only power it has is to dismiss the action. So Supreme Court na mismo nagsasabi na pag walang jurisdiction, it does not exist. So sabi ng Supreme Court dito, void ab initio yung articles of impeachment. Pag tinitingnan natin rules natin, the impeachment court is triggered by an articles of impeachment. Kung walang article of impeachment, walang court. So yes, it's true na it is a fact, not an operative fact. It is a fact na nag-robe tayo, nandito tayo. It is not an operative fact na meron tayong jurisdiction doon. Lastly, Mr. President, sa Rule 39, Section 4, judgment not stayed by appeal. Judgments in actions for injunction, receivership, accounting, support, and such other judgments that are now or hereafter be declared to be immediately executory shall be enforceable after their rendition and shall not be stayed by an appeal. Some may say this is for injunction, receivership, etc., and not for the impeachment court. Ang point ko lang, Mr. President,
Your Honor,
Meron naman tayong-
This is a case for injunction.
yes,
Filed by the Vice President against both the Senate and the House.
thank you for that clarification. But even if it was not, Mr. President, that is why if we, the gentleman from Tarlac already said he's amendable. So kung halimbawa something like we move to act upon the Supreme Court decision and archive the case. Kasi yung Supreme Court decision, when you act upon, ano ba sabi niya? Immediately executory, ano ba sabi niya? Void ab initio. Ngayon, kung halimbawa, na-reconsider at biglang sinabing tuloy, wala rin naman na epekto yon sa motion na we act upon the Supreme Court. Then, at the proper time, someone can say here, we will act upon the latest decision of the Supreme Court. Di ba? So, I'm just saying this in the spirit, Mr. President, na pag nakaboto tayo, at least klaro kung anong pinagbobotohan, because some of us might not vote for the motion to dismiss just because we believe there is no such thing as a motion